Endrete umurai wenzo muskuru Kenyatta ni gobono aboliri eserikali nabego nabwatani bali nekerenga gyo kubwatana ne serikali erikonyara gusukia ensi ya Kenya musio anekorwania amoroira gendrete kwirani ensi ya Kenya maiga naboigo amo norogongo rwa Afrika uruniga ate birebuna chinze chinyinge iko cyabire chikurwania amaroira ayo agendrete go itaba ntabange ka ukwana kurwa se county ya Nyeri tukuregoro chinga kichoko igura bene asentira y'umutandao wentunde ya gatano kabere ya Global Fund omojega ogochi gokorwa omwakoyo imeyense ya America Uhuru ni gatebetebuna amoroire osoburoire buna wenyamoleo TB amonobore bweso seragose malaria ngati ya maroire ali yokogosa mono UNC ya Kenya banete kurwania aseganga yogokinia bantu na kwerenda kebochenu.
In the 6th replenishment cycle, my administration contributed $6 million and we plan to enhance our commitment for the 7th replenishment cycle in support of the Global Fund. I call upon all implementer countries to remain at the forefront of championing and advocating for a successful 7th replenishment of the Global Fund. The replenishment cycle comes at a time when economies globally are faced with the challenge of the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has underscored the need for global solidarity to curb not just COVID-19, but to curb all diseases that afflict our people. It is clear that increased investment in strong community and health systems is needed now more than ever before if we are to tackle both prevailing as well as emerging diseases. Equally important and urgent is the need to build our continental capacity to manufacture commodities for sustainability and resilience. And this calls for all of us as a continent to talk in one voice to ensure that our homegrown solutions and strategies are adopted in the fight against these diseases.